Fugacious is an adjective that describes something fleeting or short-lived, often used to refer to things that vanish quickly or have only a brief existence. It conveys the idea of transience or impermanence, meaning in usage 1. Fleeting or ephemeral. Fugacious is typically used to describe things that are temporary or quickly disappearing, such as moments, feelings, or natural elements like flowers. Example: the beauty of the sunset was fugacious, lasting only a few minutes before dusk fell. 2. Associated with nature. It is often used in botanical or scientific contexts to describe parts of plants that wither or fall away quickly, such as petals or leaves. Example: the fugacious petals of the flower fell soon after blooming. Etymology. Fugacious comes from the Latin fugax, meaning apt to flee or fleeing. This is related to fugere, which means to flee or to escape. Its root conveys the sense of something that quickly slips away or escapes from grasp. Related words. Fugitive, referring to someone or something that is running away or escaping, often temporarily. Example: the fugitive escaped capture for days. Fugacity, the quality of being fugacious or fleeting. Example: the fugacity of happiness is a common theme in poetry. Synonyms: ephemeral, transient, temporary, short-lived, momentary. Antonyms: permanent, enduring, lasting, perpetua. Fugacious evokes a sense of things that are delicate and temporary, often with a poetic or reflective quality. It is a sophisticated word for expressing the idea that time or beauty can slip away quickly, capturing the impermanence of